take on a crepe. So it is made with a cream cheese and maple syrup stuffing, as well as a fruit compote, which is made with raspberries and strawberries, as well as some maple syrup. And then just some whipped cream and some extra maple syrup on top to top it off and make it all tie together.
My name is Madison LeBay. I'm obviously currently a student at Arizona Culinary Institute, and this is a Korean style lamb chop. I did a Korean barbecue sauce where I cooked in about 2.5 pounds of rhubarb, so it's got like a bitterness. The sweet component of the barbecue sauce is obviously going to be the Milligan's maple syrup. I've got a jasmine rice puck brushed with a mirin and Milligan's maple syrup kind of coating on it, and then I've got a multi-carrot, microgreen, and radish mint herb salad that is tossed in a citrus and orange kind of ginger vinaigrette.
Hi, my name is Reese McKinley, and today for my dish I decided to make a maple bourbon pecan boba roulade. So it has candy bourbon pecans on top and is filled with a maple bourbon pecan filling, and that's my dish.
My name is Erin Cashley. I made a maple chestnut pudding chômeur, gluten-free, with a Basil Hayden maple glaze, as well as Basil Hayden shooter. The chômeur originated in Quebec, Canada, and it is known as the peasant's pudding. I decided to add my own twist and bring it to the 21st century.
Good afternoon, chefs. I'm presenting to you a salmon with rice and Chinese broccoli. It has a Milligan's maple syrup, soy sauce, and sriracha-based sauce on top. Yep.
Good afternoon, chefs. My name is Brent, and today I prepared for you a savory apple tart. And I've mixed flavors today with the apples in maple syrup flavoring, they've macerated, sauteed, and then steeped overnight. And then I've used that, the juices from that, in a reduction to make the final glaze on the top of the tart. And then the base of the tart is the savory bacon and onion with a maple reduction. And there's just a little bit of maple syrup in the crust as well. So my presentation of a maple tart.
Hi, my name is Rayanne Gunderson, and I have made it's Milligan's maple bourbon bacon jam over a roasted chicken thigh.
Excellent. You want to tell us more about it?
This back home in Ohio, and our family's from, we just love bacon jam, and most of my family lives in Mason, Ohio, so they are very familiar, so just incorporated it with our family traditional recipe.
Hi, my name is Silex, and today for my dish, I made a maple glaze stuffed chicken. So the maple glaze had bourbon and some maple syrup in it, and the stuffed chicken. For the stuffing, I made spinach, mushrooms, onions, and garlic, and I made with some artichoke hearts with it, and I sauteed that, and also on top I have mozzarella cheese and maple bacon on top of it.